Alright guys, today we're gonna work on Audi Q7 2007 V6 3.6 Quattro all-wheel drive water pump replacement. So the job is done already, but I asked my technician, to let me know when he took it off. So I would walk you through, but still it's not gonna be a big deal. I'm gonna show you what to do. First thing first, this hose, the water hose, needs to be moved. I mean, you don't need to take the hose or anything out. There is one screw down there, as my finger is pointed. It's just star 6. Loosen it, and then you should be able to move it around. Then take the hex, 6 millimeter, 1, 2, 3. Take them off, 1, 2, 3. And as soon as you lose them out, then use the 17 millimeter, take the serpentine out, then take the pulley out. The water pump is located just down there with just 3 screws. It's gonna be a special tool like Star, the one that you use for the European cars. That one is T6 again. Take these 2 screws out, take the water pump out. Make sure you got the water pump with the new seal in it. Put it back together, and the procedure is gonna be the reverse. Put the pulley back, tie them up, put back the serpentine belt. Don't forget the diagram. Take a picture if you forget that, or you can Google it up to see the diagram of the serpentine belt, and then put back this hose all the way and tight the screw, which my finger is just there. And after that, fill up the coolant with the appropriate coolant right here. You don't need to bleed or anything. Just make sure you fill it up, let the engine run for like 15-20 minutes. Make sure the thermostat is working, and you should be fine. Thank you guys for watching. That was a quick guide for water pump replacement on Q7 Audi 2007.